All right, so we've gotten through the fact that Steve's done, dinner with Michelangelo's David and, married with the Pope and, playing with Journey and Guns N' Roses and, all kinds of just crazy things that you've pulled off. And so then the new book, we're talking through big goals, and the thing that I love in like the second chapter, there we go for stupid. The second chapter, you're talking about like the simplest concept, which is the reason you've been able to accomplish some of this or a lot of this is because you just ask the question. And I'd love to hear if you want to talk. We'll talk briefly about some of your tips and tricks for goal setting, and then we'll get into what we're doing next week. That is going to be awesome, and we'll see. We'll go from there.
So a lot of people, and you kind of made the mistake at the front, and a lot of people do this. They go, Steve makes the impossible possible. He breaks the ceiling. He breaks through the brick wall. Well, all of that stuff is tense. Let's say, for argument's sake, I said, hey, Dave, let's start this business. And what should we do with it? Well, we're going to scale it up, and we're going to franchise it out. We're going to move it all out. We're going to break through this, and we're going to make these impossible goals, and we're going to achieve them. When you start speaking like that, you become very tense. And anything tense breaks. Okay? But if I said to you, what's your goal today, Dave? And you went, I want to 10x my company. And I went, let's 30x it. Fuck it. Let's have some fun. And do you know what happens? What just happened to you?
I got light.
You smile. Yeah. When we talk about doing the impossible, we grit our teeth. When we gamify our goals, we smile because we become a creative 5-year-old. And everyone that I met, the Elons and the Richard Branson, all of these kind of people, they look at it and they go, okay, we've got this problem. Why is the problem there? And how can we have some fun with it? And I remember first hearing that going, how can we have some fun with having a debt? How can we have some fun with not getting our orders out there? How can we have some fun with getting better clients? But when you gamify something and you have some fun and you're willing to set ridiculous goals that the normal person will laugh at, and until they laugh at them, they're not big enough, then you don't ignite those neurons and you don't gamify it. So with me, as I was growing up, I was always like, how can we do this? How can we play with this? And I also made sure that the word impossible became my Voldemort. Now, if anyone's watched Harry Potter,